what a mess to get in there and figure out which one's which. All you have to do is click this button and they all go away. Let me show you the need for this Isolate Active Section Plane Express tool. What I might want to do is reposition my section to cut right through the middle of that toilet. In order to do that, I got to turn on my section planes, and I can tell you that this is a rather simple project and it's early and there's not a lot of section planes in here, but sometimes it's kind of a mess. And so you would need to hide some of these section planes and to kind of get to where you want to be. And then you would be able to move this section plane in such a way that you're cutting right through the middle of it, right? So check this out. Here's that interior elevation fill load 2. And here is our Isolate Active Section Planes. Click. There you go. One click gets rid of all those section planes and only presents the active section plane. Let's do this. Let's go like this, not cut the toilet. Let's scoot that back and see if we can get clever and not cut the toilet like that. There you go. The point is this Isolate Active Cut is pretty darn slick.